reunited. Vlogging.
We're double vlogging. Coming in for the hug.
He said he was in Essex, so...
It had to be done, didn't it? It had to be done.
And I just wanted to show him the new whip.
This is a bit nice. Adam's new S15 that he's literally had for about 10 minutes and already's done a cheeky skid in it. Looks proper sick. Loving the colour. It's like a violet, funny, glistening, really nice purpley with a bit of silver pinstripe. Yeah, that's sick.
Fabric doesn't really work that great. I did try it.
I was going to say, you've already tried, haven't you? Yeah. The colour's lovely though. I love the colour.
It's fun.
Yeah.
I'm glad, I say to the boys, I'm glad it's a little bit tatty because when I crash it now I won't mind.
I was going to say, yeah. I was going to say, how long until you actually use it? And then...
Josh's, so I don't care if I'm off the wall.
See, he doesn't really want to do that, so yeah, I understand that. Nice though, isn't it?
I love it, man. It's so tatty.
So sick.
Well, like, this is exactly as it comes from Japan, apart from the wheels.
Really?
And it's got all like glitter around it.
Come on, everyone jump in.
I didn't think I was going to make it.